In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for LinkedIn live streaming. Having access to LinkedIn Live can significantly boost your professional presence, helping you connect with your audience in a more engaging way. First, we'll start by heading over to www.linkedin.com video go live. This is your starting point on the journey to accessing LinkedIn Live. If you find that you don't have access right away, there's no need to worry. Simply click on the option to apply for LinkedIn Live, and you'll begin the application process. Before diving into the application, it's crucial to understand the requirements. Make sure to check the criteria thoroughly to ensure that you meet all the necessary conditions. One of the key eligibility factors is having at least 150 followers or connections on your profile or page. This is an important threshold because LinkedIn Live is reserved for users with a reasonable scope of influence and engagement. Beyond the numbers, you will also need to have a good standing record as a member or page admin. This essentially means that you've adhered to LinkedIn's community guidelines and maintained a positive presence on the platform. Keep in mind that if your account or page has any violations, it could affect your application's success. For our friends based in mainland China, it's worth noting that LinkedIn Live services are currently unavailable. This is an important detail to know before you begin the application process. Additionally, your account or page must have been active for at least 30 days. This ensures that only established profiles or pages can gain access to this valuable streaming feature. Once you've confirmed that your profile or page meets all of these criteria, there are two main ways to prompt LinkedIn to review your application. The first option is to create an event directly on LinkedIn. If your profile or page is eligible, you should be able to select LinkedIn Live as an option in the event format dropdown. This automatically triggers a review by LinkedIn's team. Alternatively, you can create an event using a preferred third-party broadcast tool. This option gives you the flexibility to work with other software you may be familiar with. As soon as you do so, you'll receive a notification letting you know whether you have been granted access to LinkedIn Live. Going through these steps carefully will not only make your application process smoother, but will also enhance your chances of being approved. By reaching your audience on LinkedIn Live, you'll open new avenues for professional engagement and growth. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your LinkedIn Live application.